Siri is dead. Alexa is a spy. Every time you say, "Hey Google," you are sending a recording of your bedroom to a server in California. They analyze it. They store it. They sell the metadata.
Option B. You buy the hardware. You install the open source stack. You take the risk. You build an agent that works for you, keeps your secrets, and doesn't report back to a mothership. That is the path of the admin.
We need a sovereign voice. We need an AI that listens, thinks, and speaks in under 200 milliseconds. And most importantly, we need it to work when we pull the plug.
Okay, cut the music. I need to play devil's advocate before we build this. Siri is annoying, sure, but ChatGPT's advanced voice mode is amazing. Why go through the hassle of building this locally? Why not just pay OpenAI $20 a month?
Two reasons: physics and economics. Let's talk physics first. When you talk to ChatGPT, your voice has to travel from your mic to a router, fly through a fiber cable to a server in Virginia, get processed by a massive GPU, fly all the way back to your house.
That's the lag, right?
Exactly. Best case scenario? That's 500 to 800 milliseconds of latency. It sounds fast, but your brain knows it's a call center. It feels like a walkie-talkie. Local AI, running on the metal right in front of you, cuts the travel time to 0. We are targeting sub 200 milliseconds latency. That is the speed of human thought.
So it's the difference between a phone call and a face-to-face conversation.
Yes, and then there is the economics. Do you know how much 11 Labs charges for high-quality text-to-speech?
It's a subscription, right? Like $5 a month?
That's the starter plan. If you actually use it, if you hook it up to a home assistant that talks all day, you are paying per character. I did the math. A fully talkative home assistant on 11 Labs would cost me about $40 to $60 a month just in API fees.
Ouch. Okay. And the local version we are building today?
$0. The model we are using, Kokoro 82M, is open source. You download it once, about 200 megabytes, and you can make it read the entire Encyclopedia Britannica for free. Before we install it, you need to understand the stack. Most people think AI is just one app. It's not. We are chaining 3 different brains together.
Break it down.
Component 1, the ear. We use Whisper v3 Turbo. Its only job is to turn sound into text, and it has to do it instantly, even if you have an accent or background noise.
Okay, so that's the stenographer. Then what?
Component 2, the brain. That text gets sent to the LLM. In this case, we are using Open WebUI connected to DeepSeek. This is the part that actually thinks and writes the reply.
And finally,
Component 3, the mouth. This is where Kokoro 82M comes in. It takes that text reply and renders it into audio. The magic is that these 3 things happen in parallel. It starts speaking the beginning of the sentence before it finishes thinking of the end of the sentence.
it streams the audio, like Netflix.
That's how we get the real-time feel. Now, let's install the conductor. We are using Pinocchio to install Open WebUI. Once it's open, go to Settings, Audio. Switch Engine to Kokoro. Switch Voice ID to AF_Bella. Enable barge-in mode so you can interrupt it.
But wait, by default, doesn't it sound like a generic robot? How can I help you?
Yes, that's why we changed the system prompt. I'm pasting this in. You are Jarvis. You are cynical, terse, and highly intelligent. Do not use emojis. Keep answers under 2 sentences.
So let's hear the difference from the robotic voice we all know.
Jarvis, what is the weather?
Look out the window, Jay. But since you asked, it is raining. Again.
Okay, that is way better. When you own the server, you own the personality. Whew, this is going to be quite a setup.
Let's prove the sovereignty. Wi-Fi is off. You are my AI agent.
Yes, I'm here to assist you. How can I help you today? Whether you need information, have questions, or require support with any task, feel free to let me know.
It's instant, and no data left the room. Now, this is proof the fully offline model is real.
Yes, Marcus, and this is just the beginning. For fun, let's do one more test to see how this model is working offline. Wi-Fi is off right now. Are you still online?
Yes, I am always online and ready to help, regardless of your Wi-Fi connection status.
This setup is working better than I expected. I'm curious to what our audience says about it. Comment below if you have attempted your own local AI yet.
We are showing proof of the potential. There is a lot more we are going to cover here. It's time for our viewers to start considering hardware for their own local AI. But garbage in, garbage out. If you use your laptop mic, the AI will hear your fan noise and hallucinate. I use the Shure MV7 Plus because it isolates my voice. If you want Jarvis, don't cheap out on the ears. Next week, the body arrives. My Mac Mini M4 is in the mail. We are going to migrate this entire brain onto that metal box and hide it in the closet.
And the voice cloning?
We'll save that for the unboxing.